Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you had a really good day yesterday. My hair is blowing all over the place, I know, because it's so windy and I'm sat outside in my backyard on this lovely sunny day again. Now, yesterday I set the task that I wanted you to be more thoughtful, more grateful, and more kind to everybody around you, and hopefully some of you will have done that. I would love your parents to send me either a quick email or some photographs of you being kind, because maybe we could put all of those together for Friday's assembly. But today I just want to remind you why we need to be kind, and I'm going to see whether we can set the challenge a little bit harder and see if you can do some random acts of kindness over the next few days, just to show your parents and your siblings and everybody else just how wonderful we are in Trumica. So see what you can do, and don't forget to keep up with your home learning. There are more activities on there today, and there's more websites we're sending out all of the time. And if you haven't yet seen the funny bit, ask your parents to show you the baby photographs of some of the staff. See if you can spot which one is me and which one is Mrs. Hamer. I'll challenge you on that one. Here comes the assembly.
So, what is a random act of kindness? Well, it's kindness that you think about and then you just do. It's just something that's like a spur of the moment. So you might see your mum or your dad coming through a door and you think, well, I'll just open that door for them. Or they might be carrying something and you think, I'll just go and help them with that. Or they might be doing some of the cleaning and you say, can I help you with that? Shall I do some of the cleaning? Yesterday, somebody was helping to do the washing, for example. And I know many of you have been helping with the cooking and the baking. So it's something that's spur of the moment that you just feel you want to do. Now, it doesn't have to be anything big. It could also be something really simple. And as we know at Trumica, we like big hugs. Now, I said yesterday, we've got to be careful with hugs at the moment, but if your family are staying in and that you're able to give them hugs still, make sure you are giving plenty of hugs. Hugs always make us feel good. As long as we're all being careful, we're all being safe, and everybody wants that hug. So find people in your family today that you can just give them a little squeeze just to let them know that you care about them and that you're passing on some kindness. Now on Thursday, we always now go outside and we clap for the NHS workers and other key workers, all of which I mentioned yesterday. And it's really important that we keep showing our appreciation of other people, because that is kindness in itself. Some of your parents or your grandparents or aunts or uncles might be those key workers. They might be working in the hospitals right now. Why not give them a phone call or send them a text just to say how much you appreciate them? Why not draw them a picture? Why not send them that picture or send the picture via text? And then we can show everybody that we really appreciate everything that everybody is doing. Now, there is one really simple thing that you could do. And I like to see these every day when I'm in school. And that's a nice big smile. It's really hard at the moment not being allowed to go out and play all over the place and be running up and down Morecambe Front and be on the playgrounds and play parks or going visiting places. But even when you're feeling a little bit low, if you can turn that frown upside down and make it into a smile, it will make you feel so much better. And if you smile at somebody, you're passing the smile on and they will smile. And then hopefully they will smile at others too. Now, there are loads of other ideas you could do for random acts of kindness, and they're all on the screen at the moment. There's about 20 there, some of which you can't do at the moment, and I know that. But why not have a quick look with your adults and see which ones you could possibly do? But don't forget, you need to be safe all the time while you're doing these, and make sure that if you need some adult help, you ask politely, remembering your pleases and your thank yous, so that you can do as many different acts of kindness as possible. And don't forget to send them in to me. If your parents can take photographs, I would love to see some random acts of kindness going on around our school. So remember, We want to see big, cheesy smiles. That's what we want this week, even from your pets. See if you can make them smile. See if a little tickle will just bring joy into the world. Have a great Tuesday. Don't forget the home learning. It's all online, and make sure you stay safe, stay indoors, and you help everybody to save lives. Have a great day.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way.